Have you ever heard of the lotus effect? It's a fancy way to describe the way that the leaf of a lotus flower is essentially waterproof and stays clean at all times.
The lotus leaf itself has a unique microstructure. Basically, it consists of a series of wax pillars that stand about 100 microns apart. And the surface tension of the water is so high that it can't get to the surface past these little pillars. It's similar to the way a water strider can stand on the surface of the water. And so the water beads up and rolls off the lotus leaf.
Lotus flowers are most often found in Southern Asia and Australia, but their properties have been studied around the world, like at Sto Corp in Atlanta, Georgia.
Sto is an international company that manufactures paints and coatings. We figured that if we could mimic the lotus effect, we would then be able to have a coating that would keep itself clean. Through the combination of different raw materials, we were able to synthetically mimic this structure found in nature.
This means they've created a paint called Lotusan that applies just like any other paint, but that's just about as water resistant as it gets. When splashing water dyed with blue food coloring onto a Lotusan-covered wall, no remnants remain, while a strip with regular paint retains the blue color.
What we're able to do here is measure the contact angle that the water droplet makes with the surface of the coating. Lotusan is going to form a high contact angle. Whereas regular paints, what they will do is the water droplet will actually spread out over time and won't maintain a water bead.
The fact that water beads on the Lotusan-coated surface means that the water rolls dirt away. On regular paint, dirt tends to streak down the walls and leave a muddy residue, which is ultimately bad for the lifespan of the paint.
Lotusan paint is cheaper for the building owner. They don't have to repaint as frequently. And it's also better for the environment because it saves the energy that would normally go into the production of the paint, as well as the energy that would go into actually applying the paint. Nature has had millions of years to evolve different types of strategies to meet environmental extremes. We can learn from that to improve the durability of our products.